Want to hack his attraction algorithm? These feminine body language tricks work like magic. The slow blink. Men are simple creatures. If you stare at them too long, they assume you're either A, plotting their murder, or B, challenging them to a staring contest. The solution? The slow blink. Look at him. Let your eyelids drop lazily, then open them again like you're a Disney princess waking from a nap. This says, I trust you enough to briefly close my eyes in your presence, which, in the animal kingdom, is basically a marriage proposal. The hair flip, but make it casual. Playing with your hair is the universal signal for, I am a carefree goddess who definitely did not practice this in the mirror. The key is to make it look accidental. Run your fingers through your hair, tuck a strand behind your ear, or if you're feeling dramatic, give it a full flip. Just don't overdo it, or you'll look like you're swatting away an invisible bee. The subtle lean in, invasion of personal space, but cute. When he's talking, lean in slightly. Not so much that you're in his lap, unless that's the goal, but just enough to say, your words are fascinating. And also, I enjoy the scent of your cologne. If he leans in too, congratulations, you've just unlocked mutual interest mode. The playful touch, aka oops, my hand betrayed me. A light touch on his arm when laughing, a gentle nudge when teasing him, these are the secret weapons of flirting. The trick is to make it seem like an accident. Oh, did my hand just graze yours? How clumsy of me. Anyway, what were you saying about your gym routine? The smile that starts slow, like a romance novel cover. A sudden, toothy grin can be alarming. See, horror movie villains. Instead, let your smile build gradually, a slight curve of the lips. Then, a little more, until it reaches your eyes. This says, I am not just smiling because you told a joke. I am smiling because you exist. The over-the-shoulder glance. Mystery cells. Look at him, then glance away with a tiny smirk, as if you just remembered a secret. This leaves him wondering, what is she thinking? Is it about me? Is it about tacos? I must know. The mirror move. Copycat flirting. If he takes a sip of his drink, you take a sip. If he leans back, you lean back. This subconscious mimicry makes him feel like you're in sync, and suddenly, he's convinced you're his soulmate. Science says so, probably. The beauty of feminine body language is that it's subtle, playful, and leaves him wanting more. You're not throwing yourself at him, you're drawing him in. One slow blink, hair flip, and accidental touch at a time. And if all else fails, just trip gracefully into his arms and say, wow, gravity really wants us together. Works in rom-coms, might work for you.